Hi, Meow Meow. You guys miss me? Just came back from a long weekend, short vacation. Just a short trip. 6 days. No, not 6 days. It's Thursday night, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. About 5 days. You guys miss me? I miss you guys. I was away for 4 days. Good to see you guys coming back. Hope you guys have a full meal on those days I wasn't here. I don't know if anyone feed you or not. Anyway, I'm back. Oh, you two looks good. Eating good, huh? Wow, you guys eating good. So happy to see you guys eat. I can probably call you Meow Meow and the big one, Big Meow Meow. Meow Meow and Big Meow Meow. Okay? Wow, you finished? Go drink some water over there. Wow, eating very good. You done? Oh, wow. Eating good. You probably haven't eaten anything since I had my long weekend trip. Since my long weekend trip. That's like what, four days ago? Oh, you done? Oh, Steven, you done? Good? That's a lot of food. Oh, still eating? I don't know why you bring over there and eat. Why are you still so afraid of me? I've been feeding you for the past month, I believe. You done? Huh? Go eat. I think Meow Meow's done. He's cleaning up himself now. So cute. Good? Yummy? Yeah, yummy. Look at you. Cleaning yourself up good. Go get some water. You gonna stay here with me now? Not going anywhere? You're not gonna go back to where you came from? Now you're gonna stay here with me? Huh? You're so cute. I hope someone can... Look, if any of you guys watching this YouTube, you know, if you like him, I don't know if it's him or her, but I name him Meow Meow. If you like him, can adopt him. It's very clear. It's very cute, right? It's so cute, right? Where are you original from? I don't know. Huh? Who abandoned you? Huh? Who abandoned you? Well, I'm not staying here long. I will have to say goodbye soon, maybe a couple more months. I don't know who else gonna feed you. I'll let you know my last day when I leave. To be determined. But as long as I'm here and you're here, I will continue to feed you every day. Okay? I hope when I leave, I hope someone can come and adopt you. Okay? If anyone's serious adopting this cute little Meow Meow, please leave comment. Look at him, so cute. Right? Go ahead, take a nap. Okay? I'll let you nap. Okay? I'll let you nap. Okay? Talk to you later. Oh wow. He's really taking a nap. I think he's going to treat this as his home now. The first time that after he ate, he's not leaving. He stayed there and took a nap. Wow, I think he felt safe and confident with me because I've been feeding him for the past, I think, no more than 6 times. I've been feeding this Meow Meow. First time he's like really distant away from me. Look at now. He is staying. Today he is staying after he eat. I thought he left. He just came right back. Wow, I think he got the confidence. Well, hope one day you let me pet you. Let me give you, I don't know, that would be awesome. Wow, happy day. Good. Wow, he got the confidence that he know he's in a safe hand. That's good. I have to keep a pet to myself on my bed. I did it. Get him to trust me and the confidence that he know that the Meow Meow know that I'm a good person. So happy. Happy day today. Today is January the 13th, 2025. Very happy. A step closer to Meow Meow getting acquainted to me. I'm so happy. I gonna miss you when I leave. But I don't know what day yet, to be determined. What you want? Don't you just eat? Or you just want to be next to me? Huh? Go take a nap. Don't you just eat? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, let me pet you. No? Come over here. Come. Come. Come over here. Come.